When Mr. Gennaro entered all the products, he notices that the index page is very crowded. He would love to group products into 3 categories: beverages, food, and utensils. What does Georgie have to do to achieve this? At this moment, the system contains one model, the product model. Here you see the class diagram. A second model will be added. The category model will only have one attribute, the category name. Then, the product model gets a relationship to the category model. Each product will have a category. Let me write the code to create this relationship. I open models.py and create the category class before the product class. Just like the product class, I have implemented $string that returns the name and ID. I am not going to create the relationship between product and category yet. The relationship requires some data in the category table. But in order to add data to the category table, I first have to create it. So I am going to create migrations for the category model. And migrate the database. The database now has a categories table. Let me register it in the administration model. I open admin.py and import the category model. And register it. I start the server and open the administration module. As you see, there is a new table, Categories. I will add the 3 categories. There are 3 categories with IDs 1, 2, and 3. And now I can create the foreign key relationship in the product model. This will create a foreign key relationship in the database. I quit the server and create database migrations. A foreign key relationship is a non-nullable value. I type 1 to create a one-off default value. Django wants a one-off default value. The categories were created with IDs 1, 2, and 3. I'll type 1 here. That way, all categories are linked to category beverages. We will choose the proper categories later. I migrate the database. I start the server again and view a product in the Django administration module. You now see a selected category for this product. The Django administration module allows you to change the category. Open the GitHub repository again and click on Product List 3. In Product List 3 you find the product list including the categories. Go through all the products and update their category. Pause the video and resume when you're done. Very nice. The products are now linked to the proper categories, and in the next part we will add this category sidebar to the website.